Hello friends, today's we are going to the study of relation between change in enthalpy, that is delta H, and change in internal energy, that is delta U, for a chemical reaction. According to the enthalpy definition, at constant pressure delta H and delta U are related as delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. Give this equation number 1. Now firstly for solids and liquids. For solids and liquids, this delta V usually is very small because solids and liquids do not show volume change at constant pressure. Hence, this P delta V is neglected. Therefore, this equation can be written as delta H is equal to delta U. Give this equation number 2. Now, for gaseous reaction, or gaseous reaction, I am again writing here delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V equation. Delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. Now expand this equation, that is delta V is the difference between two volumes, that is initial volume and final volume. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta U plus P in bracket V2 minus V1. Now again, this V2 and V1 multiplied by this P, that means solve this bracket. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta U plus PV2 minus PV1. Give this equation number 3, where this V1 is the volume of gas phase reactants and V2 is the volume of gas phase products. Consider again, let N1 are the number of moles of gaseous reactants and N2 are the number of moles of gaseous products. Then ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, gives at constant pressure this PV1, I am writing here PV1 is equal to this N1, and R and T both are constant because this equation is at constant pressure and temperature, and already R is already gas constant. And similarly, PV2 is equal to N2 into R into T. Give this equation B symbol and upper equation indicated by A symbol. The substitute the values of this equation A and B in equation number 3, that means in this case. Therefore, the equation number 3 can be written as delta H is equal to delta U plus this PV2 value, that means this N2RT, this symbol negative, that means minus, this value of PV1 is N1RT, Okay, close similar quantities. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta U plus N2 minus N1 in bracket, and this RT and RT is common. Let me see into RT. I don't know that the N2 minus N1 is delta M, that is the difference between two number of moles. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta U plus delta N into R into T, and this equation for gaseous reaction, therefore write at the bottom of N small g. This is the relation between delta H and delta U for a chemical reaction, where delta Ng is difference between number of moles of gas phase products and gas phase reactants. Now we will discuss about the work done in chemical reaction. The work done by the system at constant temperature and pressure is W is equal to minus external pressure into delta V. Use this equation number 1. Assuming internal pressure of the system and external pressure are equal, that is external pressure is equal to internal pressure. Therefore, this equation can be written as W is equal to minus P into delta V. Give this equation number 2. Now expand this delta V. Delta V stands for the difference between two volume, that is initial volume and final volume. Therefore, W is equal to minus P in bracket V2 minus V1. Now again solve this bracket. Therefore, W is equal to minus P into V2 minus minus plus PV1. Give this equation number 3. At constant temperature and pressure, by ideal gas equation, PV1 is equal to N1 RT and PV2 is equal to N2 RT. That means I am writing here, but at constant temperature and pressure, by ideal gas equation, PV1 is equal to N1 RT and PV2 is equal to N2 RT. Okay, the substitute these values of PV1 and PV2 in this equation. Therefore, we will get W is equal to, this value of PV2 is N2 RT, this is negative symbol, N2 RT, then this plus N1 RT. Now close the similar quantities. Therefore, W is equal to minus in bracket N2 minus N1 and this RT is common. On solving this bracket, we will get W is equal to this minus symbol and delta n, and this R into T, and right here delta n Z, where delta nz is the difference between the number of moles of gas phase products and gas phase reactants. W is work done by the system, R is gas constant, and T is absolute temperature. And this equation, that is equation number 4, is the work done by the system, that is work done in chemical reaction. Now we can see shortly note here. Note, this equation number 4 indicates that work done by the system in the chemical reaction, and sign of this W is depends on delta V. This equation also follows if N2 is greater than N1, N2 is greater than N1, then delta N is positive. This delta Ng stands for gaseous reaction is positive, and W is less than 0, that is the work is done by the system, that means work is negative. Now if N1 is greater than N2, then delta Nz is negative. W is greater than 0, that means W is positive, and if N1 is equal to N2, then delta Nz is equal to 0. Delta Nz is equal to 0, and W is equal to also 0. That means there is no work done by the system on the surrounding, or in other words, no pH work is done when number of moles of gas phase reactants and gas phase products are equal. Thank you.